cooker. So before you do durian stew, okay, we will need coconut milk, sesame, rice milk, sugar, and finally durian splashed. Firstly, you will fry sesame 2 spoons. With a low fire. When you hear the sound tick 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 tick, it's enough. We fry it until we smell and we see the sesame here become to change to the yellow. When it changes to become yellow and when you smell something, you can turn off fire. And then we use blender, we put durian splashed, rice milk, sugar, and coconut milk. We blender it together to mix together. And then we mix it together. And then we will stir it with the water. In Vietnam we call hấp. Okay, it's ready. I will pan a little oil in the face and around him. You can use the rest and then put it in. When you see it polished, we will put some sesame rice. And put it low fire until it's finished. When we do this cake, we need to make the water here clean. It's not the water out there. It will be not good. To make it sure, we use a sticky and if the block cake doesn't stick in the sticky, it's and then I will waiting it cool. It's very delicious, and I think you will success to make durian stew. Bánh sầu riêng hấp durian stew cake. Thank you for watching my video about durian in Vietnam, and I hope you will like it, and I hope you will subscribe my channel to see more about food and traveling from Vietnam with Go Vietnam Go. Thank you, I'm Go, and see you in my next clip about food and traveling in Vietnam.